this is really up to you as a bride, right? As far as goth makeup goes, blush really isn't a thing. I don't even wear a ton of blush. My favorite and really only blush palette that I love is Makeup Revolution. And this looks old, but it's not. This is like the third palette I've owned with this. It's called the French Lace palette, I think. Vintage Blush Lace. And it actually gives kind of a sheen. Let me show you what it looks like kind of swatched. See how it's almost sheer, but a sheen. And I really only use these two colors. This whole palette's about $10 at Ulta. It's really up to you on if you incorporate blush or not, right? Like, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Depends on what kind of goth you're going for. Me, I like more of a elegant goth, vampire goth. Although vampire goth can be a little bit more on the red side, red undertones.